Hello friends, good morning everyone. So in this time I am just in front of the Indian Museum Bharatiya Sangrahalaya, which is one of the oldest, first and largest museum of India, which was established by the Britishers in 1814 AD. So I am going to explore this museum and stay updated with me. And even this museum, Indian Museum, is located in Kolkata, in just beside, also the only few meter distance from the Habara, from the Victoria Memorial and the Fort William, which was the first fort of Britishers which built in British India Company during at that time. So even Kolkata Fort, which was also established by the Britishers, which was also located in the same area near the Esplanade Metro Station, which is a underground metro station from water. So let's see and stay updated and explore together with me. Thank you so much. So let's explore together with me the Indian Museum. Right now exploring from the outside. So even the Indian Museum, which is formally called as the Imperial Museum of Kolkata before independence, is a massive museum in central Kolkata in West Bengal. And it is the 9th oldest museum in the world and the oldest and the largest museum in Asia as well as in our country. So it has rare collections of antiques, armor and the ornaments, fossils, skeletons, mummies and the Mughal painting. So it was founded by the Asiatic Society of Bengal in Kolkata in 1814, and the founder curator was the Nathaniel Wallich, a Danish botanist. So it is located in Park Street. It has 6 sections of the comprising the 35 galleries of cultural and the scientific artifacts, namely Indian arts, archaeology, anthropology, geology and economics, botany. So museum has skeletons of dinosaur, Egyptian human mummies and the 40,000 years old Buddhist stupa, Amravati stupa, Hindu sculptures and the lion capital of Asoka. So even the stone sculpture of the Devi goddess Durga, the Torana and the railing parts from the Barahat stupa before 75 BC, and it has also the insects, mammals and bird galleries, skulls of Indus Valley civilization. So the present director of the Indian Museum is the Sri Arijit Datta Chaudhary, who is also the Director General of the NCSM, National Council of the Science Museum. So and this is located on the same street of the Queen Victoria Memorial. So I am also going to visit Victoria Memorial, which is located on the Queen's Way, close to the St. Cathedral Church. Thank you so much.